Hello awesome people, welcome back to Parasolo Creation video tutorial. This is episode 20 of beginners lesson with Parasolo Creation video tutorial. So without much ado, in this video we are going to learn how to export what we have done. We are able to design this in Photoshop, so we want to share it to our friends to tell them that from now on we are also designers, so we are able to design something. So to share what you are able to design to your friends and family members or anyone, first of all, go to File and you will see Save. Click on it and locate where you want to save your work. In this case, I want to save my own here. Maybe you want to save it on desktop, you can choose desktop. You want to save it here or there, you can choose that place. I want to save it here. Then at the save as type, I will choose PNG, JPEG. Then I'll click on save, and Photoshop is going to save it in a picture form for me. So you see image option, we want 100% quality, and the format we want baseline standard, we want the standard one. Then you can see the preview. So the size is also here. Maybe you don't want a large size, so for you to get a lower size, just reduce the quality and the size will reduce for you. So I want the full quality. I'll drag it all the way to maximum and click on OK. So from here I'll go to my resource files, check where I save it to, and I will see my election design, my first election design in Adobe Photoshop. So in this way you can share to your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, anywhere of your choice. You can choose to share with them. And maybe you want to save the work and later you come and add something or remove something from it. This is how you are going to do it. Go to File, see that you still have the save there. So from here, even if you try to close your work, Photoshop will ask you save changes to Photoshop document election before closing. So from here you have to save your work so that you can come back and edit or add something or remove something from it. If you save it as JPEG, you will not be able to make changes to it again unless you start the design process again. So to save you some time to be able to come and edit it again, please make sure to save it as PNG. And PNG documents are just documents that can only be opened in Adobe Photoshop. Then open the file, go to File, Save, and in this we are going to save it as Photoshop PSD. Just click on it and click on Save, and we are going to see maximum compatibility, blah 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 blah. Just click on OK. So even if I close it, I'll have the option to reopen the work election flyer. I'll have the option to reopen it, and you see that here is it. I can do any changes to it and save it again. So anytime you are working, make sure when you start the design, save it so that when light goes off or your machine breaks down, you have a backup of what you've got up to. So make sure you always save it. The shortcut for the save is Ctrl X. You can even check it here, Ctrl X, so that you will be able to save changes. You click on it to save changes, or if you want to undo, just undo. So in this way it's going to help you. Great. So from here let's try another different types of saves. Okay, so alright, so from here we know how to save as JPEG picture form. We can share it on social media. We know how to save it as PSD so that we can come back and edit. What about PDF. Maybe you want to send to someone so that it won't lose quality. Then you have to go to File, Save As, and this one you are going to choose Photoshop PDF. Choose Photoshop PDF, click on it, then click on Save, and a lot of option is going to pop up. It says this setting you choose in this Save dialog box can override your current setting. Click on OK. Then you are going to have this preview saying that high quality printout. PDF and JPEG are normally used for printout, so sometimes if you want to send it through phone on WhatsApp to someone, save it as PDF, send it to the person, and then just print out. But maybe you have a printer yourself, save it as JPEG and just print out, and with that you are not going to lose any quality. And from here you can go through all the other settings, but this is the most important thing. It says option preserve Photoshop editing capability. So if you check this one, it means that when you save it as PDF and anyone open it in Photoshop, the person is going to be able to edit it, but you don't want anyone to be able to edit it when the person open it in Photoshop. Just uncheck it and you click on save, and when you leave this one also on, the size of the image becomes large. Let me try it for you to see. Save, then when it is done, we will try the other way around. So from here, go to File, Save As, choose PDF, and let's change the name to Design 2. Save as PDF, click on OK, uncheck the preserve and save, and let's see what will happen. Wait for it to save 100%. Kindly wait for it to save up to 100%. It's now 99. Then let's go to our source files. So here we have election PDF save 1, election PDF save 2. So let's check the size and see. You see that the size of this image is 12.9 megabytes and the size of this image is 4.07 megabytes. So you see the difference. When you preserve the Photoshop capability so that you can edit it, the large of the image increases. You see in this case is 12, but in that case is 4. So you have to consider all of these when saving your work. Alright, let's try this one and also see. So let me increase it to 100%. So maybe I want to save this thing. I want to save hashtag number 4, but I want only this, not the background. So what are you going to save it and get it as you want it? So go to edit, go to file, save as, and with this one we are going to choose PNG so that it will preserve the background for us. So let's save and see. Save, click on it, click on OK. Then when it is done, go to your source file and see. Open it and see. From here you cannot see the difference, but when I drag this one into Photoshop, you will notice that Photoshop saved the work and the background is still transparent and I can still move this one around. But let me try and save it as JPEG for you to see. Save as and choose JPEG. 3 for JPEG. 3 for JPEG. Click on save. Okay. So let's go to my source file. Here is the JPEG one. Drag it into Photoshop. You can see that from here, when you save it as JPEG, all the transparent side lost compared to this one, keeping the transparent for you. So you have to know what you want, and you can save it according to that. So we have a lot of save options here. We have a lot of save options here, so you can toggle around each of them, but the most used is PDS, JPEG, PDF, and PNG, and sometimes TIFF. TIFF can also be edited in Photoshop, and you can also open it as image. So let's try TIFF and let's see. Let's use this design and try. So let's save this image as TIFF and let's see the difference. So file, save as, then I'll choose TIFF. So let me name it TIFF, then save. Click on OK. Okay. So with TIFF, you can open it as image. So with TIFF, you can open it as image, and also when you drag it into Photoshop, and also when you open it in Photoshop, let's see what is going to happen. You see that Photoshop kept everything. You can see that Photoshop kept everything for you. You can edit it, and you can also open it as image on your phone and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is what you've gotten up to now. So from here we are going to learn how to do more complicated designs and stuff, since we know the basics. So make sure you subscribe, you comment below, and also share what you have done with us at Pasolo Creation on Facebook, Pasolo Create on both Instagram and Twitter, and we will respond to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.